You ever heard of a feeding frenzy? Well, that's usually in sharks. Well, what we have here are land piranhas. They're much, much worse. Let me demonstrate. Don't want to get in these guys' ways. It's only been about 6 hours, 8 hours since they last ate. I was wounded. The white ones are the meat birds. They're only about 4 weeks old. The ones that are not white are regular hens, egg-laying hens. You can see the size difference after about 4 weeks. They're all the same age. We got them all at the same time. The meat birds will take about 50% of what they eat and convert it directly into meat. That's all they care about. Eating, pooping, drinking, and sleeping. That's it. But mainly eating. This little fellow over here, he's the bird that I tried caponizing a couple days ago. He's still healing the failed attempt. I'm going to practice on a few dead birds first before I attempt it on a live one again. So we're keeping him separate for a while he heals. But he's fine. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye-bye.